Hey, welcome back to another self-help video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your keyboard in your Asus Q200E laptop. Pretty much going to have to do a complete disassemble. So if you need to figure out how to replace any other part, laptop, in this laptop, hard drive, memory, so on, I'll show you. So I have a position. This is the back of the laptop. This is the front. I already loosened up took the screws out of the cover for it. There's 9 screws. There's 4 in the back, 4 in the front, 4 in the back, and 1 in the middle. These are different. The 4 in the back are different than the front and the middle. So put them aside. And to start taking it apart, I just put my fingernail in here on this corner, work the edge off. And by doing that, I was able to work the rest of the edge off. So put that aside. This is what your inside of the laptop looks like. Processor fan, hard drive. This is your battery, speakers. I don't see the memory modules right yet. They could be underneath, but anyways. Wi-Fi cards over here. I did loosen up, I did take the screws out of the battery, like once again, just trying to help you guys speed this video up. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws for the battery. This connector is also for the battery. I think we just pop this up and it should be good. Let's see if I can get that up. Here we go. It kind of fits in like that. Actually slide it back like that. This is your battery. So I put that aside with all the screws aligned with that. My God, this is a total teardown just to get to the keyboard. And I'll stop wasting time. Processor fan, let's take it apart. This is the connector for it. Slides out that way. There's that. Screw here. 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 There's one underneath this label. Move the stickers over here. Like that. Pull them back, get them out of our way. Another screw right here. These look to be all the same size, but I'm just laying them out on my other screen, the other side here. Processor. That's what it looks like. Try not to rub that silicone-based stuff off. Put that aside. Hard drive. 1, 2, 3 screws. So far, this is the #1 Phillips screwdriver I'm using to do remove all these screws. That's all I had to use so far. 1, 2. These are all the same size. They look to be. This looks like it just pulls out and then slides that way. That's your hard drive. All right, a lot more to go, folks. And it looks like these things are all part of the keyboard. They got to be broken off from what I was reading and watching before. All right, so this is our system board. We got to pop this out. Pay attention to all the screws. You know what? this card, this Wi-Fi card. This is part of the connector. This pops off. Let's see if I can use this just to pop this. There we go. So that pops off. You can take this off. There's only one screw here holding this in. Pops straight out. Wi-Fi connector looks just like that. Put that aside and put the screw. I put the screw next to the hole that we removed it from. CMOS batteries right there. You can unplug that from the board. All right, let's start removing. There's a connector here, there's a connector here, there's a connector here, another one here. Have to remove them all. This one, these two tabs pull straight back, like that. This one looks like it pulls up, like that, and then that. These are all ribbon cables. Push that forward, that pops out. These two just pull straight back towards me. This one's, I can't really get anything in there to, there we go. Try to just wiggle it, there we go. Very carefully, straight back. Okay, so now that we have all those removed, let's start. I'm gonna start here, and like I said, when I lay them out on my cable over here, my table, I mean, sorry, not my cable, my table. I'm laying them out the exact way I took them apart. So let's start with this one. One here. You can pretty much guarantee these are going to be different sizes. Nothing there. Here's one here. As you can see, most of the system board ones have arrows next to them. This one here. And then this should disconnect. You could use a tool like this if you have it and just prop it up, but looks like it disconnects. Let's see if there's a cable holding it in. Over here. Nope, that's it. So it looks like it goes in and out just like that. So put that aside with the screws associated with that. Now let's work on this other part of the main board. Start right here, there's one here. Another one here. These are smaller than the other one. The other board looked to be like a communications board. This looks like our main board, and this is our, probably looks like our memory, but it looks like it's built in. This one might be broken because it's not coming out. If you have, let me see if I can get it out like with this tool lifting, prying up. Yep. Another. I'm not this one here. Not too sure about this. Can probably stay together. This one over here. I'm trying to focus on where the arrows are. This one here. So 1, 2, 3. That one there. This one there. That one there. Oh, one here. Another arrow. You can like slowly lift it up and you can tell if there's other cables, anything else holding it in. I might have to remove those other screws. Nothing there. Might have to remove these. They look to be the same size. Let's see. Spring loaded, so just be careful with it. Let's see. Yep, those definitely had to be removed. Same thing, looks like it lifts up and then out that way. Oh, this cable, I'm sorry, I couldn't even see it. This has to be removed here. Actually, I can probably just roll it backwards. Darn it. This one looks like it slides out, but I can't really tell. So for now, what I'm gonna do is lift this out and just roll it over like that. Okay. Just FYI, so for this keyboard, from what I understand, this is the keyboard here. And as you can see, this is the replacement keyboard, which goes like this. This is the cable that comes through. So how they have this set up is these plastic things have to be all broken off. As you can see, let's see how they have it lined up. There's another one here, another one here, here, here. So I'm gonna probably pause the video and start removing some of those. And stay tuned, folks. I'll be right back.